thanks to all the individuals who I've partnered with for the last 30 years. And together we've wanted to push the boundaries of medical research. You know, I could of course spend hours telling you about all the amazing faculty, fellows, and students whose brilliance, whose enthusiasm, whose really pursuit of learning have brought me to this stage today. So this award today is for our mutual research and our mutual life's work. And we have been recognized by other groups over the years, but tonight for us is the most important because we're being recognized by the Michigan family. And for us, that really means the best. I have here tonight some of the individuals who have walked this path with me, and I want to express my deepest gratitude to them for joining me, not only tonight, but really through this life's journey. Lisa Bays and Betsy Taylor work with me and a faculty team of Drs. Hagikian, Callahan, Sullivan, and my close friend, Dr. Jacoby. Together, we guide our research and oversee 30 active scientists in our program. And our tagline is, where scientists create cures. I wouldn't be here though, speaking to you if when I came to the University of Michigan 3 decades ago, a man, Dr. James Albers, and actually his wife, Jan Albers, didn't welcome me and didn't believe that a 35-year-old woman with 3 children under the age of 5 could be both a neurologist and a neuroscientist. So their presence here tonight means a great deal to me. Now, when I've been on faculty for 10 years, I got a call from Gil Ullman, and he asked me if I would see a friend of Michigan as a patient. I said, of course. Fast forward to a regular clinic day, and I walk into my clinic, and I see a very distinguished man sitting in my patient chair. And I pick up the chart, and it says A. Alfred Tolman. And I look at him, and I said, are you in relation to the A. Alfred Tolman that the center is named after? And he looked at me, and he said, I am that A. Alfred Tolman. When I was young and not from Michigan, and I went, huh? Gosh, I thought that guy was dead. And he looks at me, and he says, Dr. Feldman, that is precisely the fact I'm here not to have come true. And so we both actually burst out laughing on that day, became fast friends, and it was really his vision that helped move and push our research forward. And tonight I'm very privileged to have other great friends and supporters who share Al's vision of believing in medical research. My good friend Charlene Handelman, Robert and Catherine Jacobs, Andy and Larry Wolf, my friends from California, Tim Brown and Ronette Coleman, have all helped me move and pursue our work. I'm so deeply grateful you're here. And lastly, to my friends, the first week in medical school, I met 4 people. That was 40 years ago, and we have been fast friends and inseparable even tonight. So thank you, Drs. Marcus, Mortel, Paul, and Ritter. And finally, to my family. My husband, Neil Little, is celebrating his 45th reunion as a graduate of University of Michigan Medical School, so it's also his alumni weekend. He has been an amazing source of support, along with our 5 children. Our daughter, Alyssa Little Kane, and her husband, Jesse, are here with us this evening, and our son, Scott, and his wife, Valentina. My family is my true source of inspiration, and cannot put into words how much I dearly love them. So thank you again so much, everyone here, for sharing with me an evening that will be truly one of the highlights of my Go Blue life.